So here we go again, hey. So we've decided to go a little bit further south this time around. So we're down in the Coffs coast.
We're going to check out a few little places like Yarungan, if that's how you say it. Take our camera, take a couple of pics of the waterfall way, check out some waterfalls, and the boardwalk, a few other things we want to photograph.
Yeah, Bellingen. We're going to go and have a look at Bellingen, which is a tiny town which everyone talks about. And look at that. I found my little pot of gold under the rainbow. That's you, sweetheart. That's you.
I'm looking for the rainbow. It's right behind us.
Anyway, we'll take you along for the ride.
I'm gonna listen back to the radio, biding my time to hear the tune that hits my soul. Finding the words was always the hardest part for me. A dispatch from the heart you'd have to believe. Till then, if the same goes for you, it goes for me. We fell in love and wound up on our knees. If the same goes for you, it goes for me. I don't know about you, darling, but I play for keeps. I'm gonna fall asleep to the radio. I'm hoping the moon and stars will be my chaperone.
So here we are at the Yarungan boardwalk. The extensions here were completed in August 1999.
It's definitely one of the most spectacular boardwalks in the eastern coast. Definitely the best one we've been, the longest one we've been on.
Yeah.
It's over 1 kilometre long, and it's all made out of wood.
Cedar, to be precise.
Yes, cedar wood.
Yeah, and at the start of it, there was the local community group had a free sausage sizzle with sausages from one of the local butchers, and just to get a bit of community spirit. So
Yes.
that was a lovely surprise. But really nice boardwalk, beautiful beach.
Yeah, we'll show you around.
Yeah.
About you, darling, but I play for keeps. Scratches on paper, love letters in the bin. Words really don't matter. I'll prove my love in the end. Until then, if the same goes for you, it goes for me. We fell in love and wound up on our knees. If the same goes for you, it goes for me.
Check this out. Come on down to Bellingen in the main street. There's lots of interesting shops, eclectic kind of things, cafes, just lots of character.
around for a walk to have a look at the Skywalk lookout.
Yeah.
And this is what happens when you follow my directions and you don't look at the signs. You end up on totally the wrong spot with giant birds. Can you see that?
Let's go find the lookout. Back that way.
Back to where we came from. That's what she gets for listening to me. Fix the hair, fix the hair.
Fix the hair.
Yeah, well,
Beach hair.
there we are, the end of another little short adventure on the Coffs Coast, New South Wales, Australia.
It's been absolutely beautiful. We've loved it.
Yeah, lots of adventures, lots of mispronunciation of names.
Lots of yummy food to eat.
Yeah, but if you made it this far, thanks very much. Take care, and we'll see you again soon. See ya.
Bye.